Millions of low-income families are being left out while those earning up to $500,000 a year cash in big. Is that fair? Let's talk about it, because this is something that affects your wallet and your children. The child tax credit. Congress is cooking up some changes in their new reconciliation bill, and at first glance, it sounds great. They're talking about raising the credit from $2,000 to $2,500 per child. That sounds like a win, right? Well, not so fast. If you're like most working moms I know, juggling part-time hours, trying to cover rent, groceries, and diapers, that extra $500 per child might not reach you at all. Why? Because of how the child tax credit is structured. Right now, if your earnings are below $2,500 a year, you don't get the credit at all. And once you hit that threshold, the money doesn't pour in, it trickles. For every $100 you earn above that $2,500, you get just $15 of credit until you hit the cap. So let's break that down. A mom working 20 hours a week at minimum wage all year would get about $375 per child. That's it. Meanwhile, families earning $400,000 would get the full $2,000 or $2,500 under this new plan. So the folks who don't need it are getting the most, and the ones that do need it the most are being left behind. Now, here's what's worse. The new proposal doesn't fix any of that. It just raises the top credit amount and leaves the rest of us stuck in the same old struggle. And here's a gut punch. If even one parent on your tax return doesn't have a social security number, your child might not qualify at all anymore. That's 4.5 million children, many of them U.S. citizens, who would be cut out completely. So what could Congress do instead? Well, there's a lot of options. Experts say that starting the credit with your first dollar of earnings, so that if you work even just a little, you start qualifying, and then phasing it in per child instead of per family would lift a lot more kids out of poverty. They could even give the full credit to families with newborns, no matter their income, which research shows helps babies and moms in a big way. And you know what? All of that together would cost less than a quarter of what the new bill is proposing. Imagine that, spending less, helping more. But right now, those ideas are being pushed aside. And unless things change, this bill could end up giving big breaks to wealthy families while millions of low-income children see no help at all. So what do you think? Should Congress prioritize wealthy families or lift up working moms and their kids? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love to hear from you. And make sure to check out our other videos for more ways to save money and get free stuff.